Today, I am breaking down the exciting world of AI services. So if you're watching this, you're right on the cutting edge of AI automation, and there's a massive blue ocean of opportunity ahead. But here's the thing, because it's such a new space, there are a ton of unknowns. Chances are you already understand how AI can benefit businesses, but you're probably scratching your head when it comes to the specifics. What services do you offer? How do you sell them? And how do you deliver? That's where I come in to break down the 4 essential components of an AI automation agency, AI services, getting clients, sales, and fulfillment. Now, being one of the pioneers in this space is pretty cool. You've got a wide open market with no competition. So, if you find a system that works for a specific niche, you could potentially make a ton of money. But here's the catch. There's no set blueprint you can just follow because this is uncharted territory. That might sound haunting, but if you want to make it big, you've got to be an innovator. AI service is not rocket science. It's about figuring out what you can offer. And the beauty of it is, you can tailor your services to each unique client. You can offer automations, chatbots, tool stacks, product recommendations, and more. Let's start with automations. You've got a fantastic tool called make.com at your disposal. With make.com, you can automate virtually any system or process within a business. For instance, let me paint a picture. Imagine your friend Josh runs Facebook ads for real estate agents. His clients want to find homeowners looking to sell their homes. Now, instead of manually texting real estate agents every time a lead comes in, Matt created an automated system using make.com. It sends lead info directly to agents via text. This, my friends, is automation in action. And guess what? Now, you can take that concept to the next level with AI. Make.com recently released its OpenAI GPT API, which means you can connect GPT to any software tool and create your custom automations. The possibilities are endless, and businesses love it because it saves time and makes their operations run like clockwork. Now, being on the forefront of AI automation is an exciting place to be. You've got this ocean of opportunity in front of you, but with great potential comes some challenges. One of the big challenges is how to find those clients who are hungry for AI solutions. Here's the deal, being an early player in this field can be a double-edged sword. On the upside, you're in a wide open market with no competition, which means if you crack the code in a specific niche, you can rake in loads of cash. But on the downside, there aren't any ready-made courses or blueprints to follow. It's a bit like the Wild West of business, and that can be intimidating. Well, my goal in this video is to simplify AI automation for you. I want you to fully understand the business model and how you should approach each step of the process. So, let's break it down into 4 key components: AI services, getting clients, sales, and fulfillment. Think of AI automation agencies as AI consultants. Your first step is to have a free consulting call with potential clients. This is where you dig deep into their business and identify their pain points. Once you've got a good grasp of their needs, your job is to put together the perfect combination of AI services that will help them. Now remember, not all clients are the same. The services you offer will vary depending on the niche you're dealing with. One size does not fit all in the world of AI. You've got to be adaptable and creative. Alright, so you've got your AI services all lined up, you're raring to go, but how do you sell them? And the big question, how do you price your services in this new and exciting AI automation landscape? Selling AI services isn't like selling a physical product or a run-of-the-mill service. It's not about the hours you put in, it's about the value you bring to the table. It's about showing businesses how your AI solutions can save them time, money, and resources. So let's break it down. Imagine you create an AI chatbot that effectively takes over basic customer support. If you can show a business that this chatbot dramatically reduces their need for customer support personnel, you've just saved them a boatload of cash. Now, that's where you charge a setup fee and an ongoing maintenance fee. Your value is clear. Here's a cool rule of thumb you can use: for every $10,000 you save or make for a business, charge $1,000. Now, this is all about experimenting, folks. It's not set in stone. You can try different prices with different clients and adjust as you go. Now, let's talk about building your portfolio. In the beginning, it's often wise to start with lower prices. This helps you gain experience and create a track record of successful projects. The key here is to get some work under your belt and get those early clients who can vouch for your expertise. Over time, as you gather a solid portfolio and prove your worth, you can increase your rates. It's natural progression, and as you do great work, those early clients will start referring you to their friends and colleagues. That's how most agencies grow, through word of mouth. Keep in mind that pricing isn't fixed. It varies depending on the complexity of your services and the nature of the businesses you're working with. For instance, if you're working with real estate agents, you might be able to charge more because their deals are substantial. On the flip side, if you're working with a local bakery, your fees might be lower. In a nutshell, It's all about offering value that matches the specific business you're working with. Don't get too caught up in an hourly rate or a standard fee. Focus on showing businesses how your AI solutions can transform their operations and save or make them money. Remember, your portfolio, your results, and your clients will speak volumes, and eventually, you'll be able to charge what your expertise is truly worth. You've got your AI services lined up, you've nailed the art of getting clients, and you've figured out your pricing strategy. It's time to roll up your sleeves and make it all happen. Fulfillment in the world of AI services is where you put your plans into action. The key here is to view yourself as an AI consultant. You've already had those insightful free consulting calls where you've dug deep into your client's business, understanding their pain points, and figuring out the perfect AI solutions for them. Not all clients are the same. Your services should be tailored to their specific needs. This means being adaptable and creative. Now let's talk about the different AI services you can offer. You've got a range of options, from automations to chatbots, tool stacks, and product recommendations. Your goal is to match these services with the unique requirements of each client. For instance, if you're working with a real estate agency, you might set up chatbots for customer inquiries and provide AI tools for optimizing their workflow. On the other hand, if you're working with a local bakery, your services might involve automating order processing and implementing customer retention strategies. Your creativity shines here as you design and implement AI solutions that are tailor-made for different niches. The key to a successful fulfillment process is delivering on your promise. You've got to make sure the AI services you've designed are not only implemented, but also optimized for your clients. It's about ensuring that your solutions are solving the problems they were designed for. The exact process of fulfillment will vary based on the services you're providing and the nature of the client's business. This might involve setting up chatbots, automating specific processes, or integrating AI tools into their workflow. Remember, your role here is to be the go-to expert for AI solutions for your clients. And as you continue to grow and gain more experience, you'll be able to offer increasingly sophisticated AI services. If you found this information valuable, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your network. To stay updated with more insights and strategies on AI, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd also love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave your comments below. Your support means the world to me, and I look forward to bringing you even more content in the future. See you in the next one.